Both of these robots had very good first matches with weird things. Ed is locked in box. We're ready for a fight. In the blue square, Emulsifier, are you ready? He is ready. In the red square, Crosshit, are you ready? He's ready. Drivers, you have 3 minutes. Hold on, wait for you to spin down. There you go, all right. Fight, robots, fight. This will be a big hit. Everybody pay. Oh my goodness gracious! Holy Hannah! And they are still going. Crosshit is still alive. Emulsifier trying to get a position on him. Send him into the roof. Crosshit back up to speed. Emulsifier not scared of his blade at all. Oh my goodness! Throwing Crosshit into the arena. Emulsifier, can you move? Emulsifier. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Your winner by lucky knockout, Crosshit. Wow, that hit that Emulsifier put on Crosshit rocked the arena about 6 inches and knocked the judges' table back a few inches. Hooray for Lexan! Oh man.